I'll be sharing with you how to do a simple system. Okay, so first thing we will do a simple employee management system. So I'll show you how it works. Actually, I have done already this one. Okay, so we have to create the main program. Okay, and then the client program and the database connectivity, and we have the employer request. So in the model, we have the employee request and response. Okay, and then we have the server where the employee, the main server. Okay, so we are using the socket programming where we have the server and the client. So the server will start running and the client will start responding for that. Okay, so here we are using UI, which is the dashboard frame.java, like we are creating the dashboard, employee form, and login frame. Okay, so these are the three we are creating. I'll be sharing with you all these files, so it will help you to make your system. Okay, so first thing what you will do, you will go to file new, as you all know, Java project. So you will give a project name. For example, I'm just giving ESS. Okay, and just finishing it. So our project is created. Okay, so this is our project. Now, what we are going to do is we have to create some folders. Okay, so this is the main program. So already I have finished the program, so I'm just copying this, and because now no time, that's why I'm just copying it, and I'm gonna put it in the main thing. Okay, paste it here. So main.java. So it's here. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. If it is error, we will fix it up. Okay. Next, we have to create three packages. What are the three packages we need? We need a client, we need DB, we need model, we need server, we need UI. I'll tell you how to do the packages. Just go to source, new, and go to package. Okay, so what should be the first package? Client. So write client and say finish. So the package client is created. Okay, same way we are going to create another package as server. Okay, so new package, write server. Okay, so this is the next package. Again, source, new package. What should be the next package? Model. And then for the DB, database connectivity, new package, DB. Okay. So later on UI for the swing, for the guy. Okay. So we are using package UI. This is the user interface. So we are creating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we have to copy all these file into each package. For the UI, we are going to copy these three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these three packages will be copying for the UI. Okay, so UI. So this one. 1, 2, 3. Paste it here. Okay. Then for the model we have to paste employee, request, response. So these three we will put it under the model. Paste it here. Okay. Next for the DB. And oh, I have again pasted the same thing. Okay, so let's just delete it. For the DB, only database. Okay. And for the client, only this client, copy socket client. Okay, so this is client, and server, copy the server. put it enter. Okay, so we have copied for all the packages. So how many packages we need? Client, server, model, DB, UI. Okay, so here we have to delete this module.java, which is giving us the. Okay, now, so these are the things we finished. Now for the database connectivity, we have to create a new folder. Okay, how to create a new folder? Source, new folder. Go to the folder and create ESS, no, under ESS. So we have to create a new folder here. So write LIB, a library. Save, finish. So the library is created here. Okay. Here we are going to copy the jar file. Okay. So there will be a jar file where you need to SQLite jar file which will connect to the SQL server. Okay. So here we will paste it. Copy the jar file. Copy. Paste it. So the jar file is pasted here. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to integrate, connect this jar file. How we will connect? Go to the source and there is something called build path and configure build path. Okay. So when you go here, go to the libraries, choose the module path. Okay. Add jar and then we have to go to ESS library, choose your jar file and say okay and say apply and close. So now your jar file is applied. Okay, we just copied it. Now it is applied. Uh, we are linking it to the module path. Okay, now let's see whether this particular program. So this are all the things. So first thing you have to run the server. Okay, so how? Let us just run and try and see. Run server. Yeah, because it is already bind because already the server is running. Okay, so let me just show you again. Because here the same server, no same program. So I'll just show you again. Yeah, it is already there. Okay, now client. Okay, let me just stop this. Okay, now let's go to the server. Yeah, it's already in use because it is being connected. That's why it is coming. Yeah, now it's connected. The client connected to the server localhost. Okay. So after running the server, we are going to the main.java. Okay. And then here we are going to give the admin and admin 123. So once you give the password, login. So it will take you to this management system. Okay. Now here you can add the employee, edit employee. You can do whatever you want here. Okay. So let us add an employee. For example, add Mariam and give some email. Mariam@gmail.com. Give some phone number. Choose the department, finance, director, some salary, something. Okay. So say active, save employee. Employee will be added here. Okay. In case if you want to edit some employee, suppose I want to edit, select the employee first. So which employee? Select the employee, edit employee. I want to change here to consultant, change the salary to 4,000, say update employee, it will be updated. Okay, so this is how you need to do your system. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you this file, students. So this might help you based on your system. The client should be there, server should be there, and the database connectivity should be there. Okay. So if you have doubt, you can ask me and I'll be sharing with you the entire file and the thing. Okay. any doubt, just let me know. Thank you, students. Also, I will share with you for a smart hotel system also. Okay. So let's try and see. Hope it works.
It's not. Whatever you did last time, same thing. Last time you got yes,